Hello guys, welcome to this new playlist, and in this playlist I will show you how to do IPL winning prediction on the base of matches between any kind of a team. As you just see in the down below, I just add a match of these two teams, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Mumbai Indians, and pass some kind of variables, and it shows that which team is gonna win on which much percentage. So in this way I will show you that how to build a kind of a prediction model on this kind of IPL data that is from the 2008 to 2022. So in this video I will show you how to do the data loading and summary checking. So the first and foremost thing, we need the data. The data you can easily get from my GitHub profile, as I already uploaded data on my GitHub profile here. So once you get the data, it's time to read it by using the pandas library, and then you have to check for some kind of a summary details, like what is the shape of your data, is there any kind of null values in it, or what is the information about the data types as well, like if there is a, like you see that the season column is integer column, the id column is integer column, the date column is a date and time column, and margin column is float column. So we need to know that all these data types are on the right place or not. And just see that the date column is not on the right place, season column is not on the right place because it is object, but we need it to be integer. So all those things need to be corrected as well. So we just need to see is there any kind of null value in the winning team as well. So as you know that these four matches, I also check as well on the internet as well. These four matches are abandoned due to rain kind of thing. So that's why there is no winning team in this. So we need to remove these four rows. So after that we need to check for the balls data set. So in this data set we need to check the same, the shape and any kind of null values, and also that the data types as well, but its data types are already like in their shape. So yeah, it's good now. So okay, so in this video as I show you that how to read the data from GitHub and then check for their summary statistics as well. So in our next video I will show you how to do the data cleaning of these both the data sets. So be with it and watch my next video tomorrow.